Curbing your privacy, served with the sign of deserted democracy. Stirring the pot, we deserve an apology. Tearing apart that disturbed ideology. Burning equality, pandering poverty. Merging them all as an earth and philosophy. Apes and caves painting pictures gave way to ancient scriptures. Body modification, veins and stitches. First it was ink, now it's data and digits. See, no matter how painful the itch is, change is a fixture your brain's gotta live with. Or is it one of Satan's tricks? What's waiting to get us when we race to the finish? Our base nature's unable to take to the pace of the changes we